It's another day, another birthday party. Let's crack on then, shall we?
Babe,
Yeah.
don't go to sleep.
Okay.
We're gonna have a baby.
A few moments later.
Let's do an unboxing. That's really, this is a haul. Hello. I exist.
I feel like if you're old enough to say you pooped, you're old enough to use the toilet.
That is accurate. Bella, come here. Let's say hi to the vlog. This is your vlog. So what's happening today?
I am doing my birthday.
Yay! And what birthday are you doing?
Mermaid.
Mermaid! So I'm gonna show everybody what we got, okay? You're gonna go help Daddy?
Yeah. My mom got me cookies.
So this is part 1 of unboxing. Oh, naked booty! So I have a couple of cute like mermaid themed snacks. So I got some fruit and strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. We're gonna have a barbecue. So I got chips. Hubby got hamburgers and chicken wings last night. We got Hawaiian punch. I got these 12-pack of macarons. Great value. I've never tried them, but we're going more for the aesthetic than the flavor, so it's fine. And then these like Dippin' Dot looking, they're itty bits. And they're blue and pink cotton candy flavored. The bag colors that I got for gifts are teal, purple, pink, so cute. For the wrapped gifts, some like really curly. And then I got some serving trays, they're just clear. These homies are gonna sit on top of our water and be like little mermaids on the water. I got her a birthday card, look, it's Ariel. But the best part is they're stickers and she's a 5-year-old, so
Go play.
10 out of 10. So we have her little birthday cake. And then I got a couple things to kind of jazz it up and make it more mermaid. I got some sprinkles, a little purple sprinkle mix. Obviously we got the candles. We'll use the like pink, purple, and blue.
No.
This little tail candle. And then they have these little fondant things. Or these little sugar sculptures.
No.
Gabby, stop yelling. Anyway, so that is all for the food stuff. I think I'm gonna set up her cake right now. Otherwise I will just not have time for that. Daddy's outside with a leaf blower cleaning up the deck. This is the Amazon portion. We got this like birthday party set thing. It has everything, like plates, banners, balloons, everything. We'll get this out really soon. I got her this adorable dress. Look how cute it is. I cannot, it's so cute. A kitty corn, she loves these things. Mermaid Chill bath bombs, because she has been begging for bath bombs. This is like the 5 balloon. We got some temporary tattoos. This is like a little wallet. It has straps. An LOL doll, so fun. They love shower bath toys. And these are plastic through and through, so these will be perfect. An LCD writing tablet. I probably will end up getting one of these for everyone because they're so fun. These blocks just looked immaculate. And then a dino blaster. How fun is that? Okay, she can see. It's wrapped. What do you think? What do you think? Are you excited?
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bite your stuff, and then I'm gonna cut them, and then I'm gonna make sure you never have a break. And I'm gonna destroy your cake. Just kidding. Throw this away. And throw this. So guys, as you know, Audrey and Stella are sleeping. So I'm just getting everything set up.
I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. Set up feet. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. So put your hand in mine.
Say happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, Mom.
No, happy birthday to me yourself. Say the words happy birthday to me.
Oh my gosh, she just reached
Happy
out for more quotes.
Happy birthday, Bella. We love you. Ew.